so the bird doesn't fly away, you clip the leash to your belt so that your hands are free.
Nice. Big. Oh my god, I did not realize it's gonna be this big. I have some reading to do. Frumoasă! Bravo, mami! Hai părele sus! Bravo! Hello! Bravo! Îți facem piruetă? Bravo, mami! My name is Erika and she's Athena. She's 4-year-old African Grey Parrot. I have her since she was 3.5 months old. I've been fascinated with birds, parrots especially, since I was a child, and especially African Greys. I knew they're very smart. And when I was on my honeymoon, I saw one, and after that my husband helped me and we got her. Parrots are not so common as pets in Romania, especially larger ones. Parakeets are common, or canaries, finches, cockatiels and Indian ringnecks maybe. Larger birds, not so much. Keeping parrots is in general, I would say, it's a little tough because in Romania we do not have avian vets, so we don't really have where to take them if they are sick. And another difficulty is that in our pet stores we cannot find pellets or other seed mixes that are healthier for them. They contain very much sunflower seeds and peanuts, which aren't that good for them. And pet stores also don't really carry toys for larger parrots, so we have to try and make our best and build it ourselves. But the thing is that many of us do not know which materials are safe for them. I think it would be awesome if more people that own parrots or want parrots would do more research on them, so they could feed them a healthier diet. And also if we would have these kinds readily available in pet stores or even internet sites in Romania, so we wouldn't have to order from abroad where we have to pay a lot in shipping and maybe customs and other stuff. That would be really beneficial, and I think then the parrots would have better and healthier lives. Owning a parrot is like having a 3 or 5 year child all your life. They are so crazy, they are so cute. They are extremely funny and affectionate. I don't even know how to put it in words, but Athena for me is the light of my life. I know it's really cheesy or corny, but I love her dearly. Athena's really friendly with me. I think she loves me. We have a really good bond. We hang out every day. She's most of the time out of her cage and she spends time with me, and we talk, we play, we whistle, we sing. We do some training, maybe some tricks. She can wave, she can spin, she can wolf whistle and raise her wings. She steps up, and sometimes if she wants to, she comes when she's called upon.
Frumoasă!
Picioarele sus. Bravo! Open sus.